of speakers that go in and out. And so let me just see. Amanda, are you here? Are you able to come onto camera or not so much? Let me know if you are. Oh, there she is. Look at that. Look at her. Look at her glass. Isn't she lovely? Amanda is my editor in chief. She's the one like, oh, this is wrong. This is wrong. And I'm like, yeah, don't tell me. Just fix it. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to know all the 20 different mistakes. I use, we do books together, and we are going to do a author's retreat. We're going to do a beginner's one at some point. We have a place, actually. We have picked a place in Dominican, right? The last place I went to. Love the resort. Super easy place to get to for, Canadians, Americans. It's easy breezy, parcheesi. It was 4.5-hour flight for me, and very comfortable, very nice, really great resort. I highly recommend it. I rarely recommend places to go, but I'm going to tell you, what was it? Barcelo Bavaro Beach was the place where I stayed. So for anyone who's been there before, you know how great it is. I know a colleague of mine, for sure, he's been there and he loves it, and it's beautiful. So I was telling Amanda, and she's like, wow, that sounds like a great place for an author's retreat. And I'm like, sure it does. Let's do it. So maybe this year sometime later on in the year. I do have some other trips with some other people that were on here. I have something planned with Lori. I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it yet. I have Maryland. I'll be speaking in Maryland, and I'll be going to Maryland and probably speaking. I did last year, so we'll be there. And then potentially Greece. We have a trip to Greece, which I didn't mention, with the APL Go. That's what we're working for. So if y'all want to travel for free, come and join our company, because we have fun. We feel better. We help other people feel better. We make pretty cool money, and we get free trips. So you can't go wrong. And I think we should have.
I love that resort. That resort, when you showed me, so beautiful.
So beautiful, right? I'm just going to see. Tell us a little about books, because I want to see what's holding Kathy up, and I'm hoping it's not technology.
Yeah, I think, we're working on quite a few books right now, actually. We have a couple on the go, and I'm excited about all of them because they're all going to be excellent books.
Mm-hmm.
The two
collabs. I have
collabs.
Entrepreneur Secrets coming up, so I still have 3 spots available in that one. I don't even know if it's 3. I should really check and see if it's just 2. It could be just 2 by now, but definitely give me a shout if you're interested. It's 1 chapter. That's all you have to write. And for you people who have never written, you know what? To become an author gives you such huge credibility. It really does. It changes your life when it comes to that, and you feel so accomplished inside. That's always my my goal with everyone, is to help everyone feel more confident, feel more in love with themselves, right? I basically help people fall in love with themselves. Oh my God, that should be my new tagline.
It should
That should
be
be my new tagline. I really like it. I help people fall in love with themselves. Like,
it's true, though. It's true.
We're so busy with this, and I mean, I coach women all the time, and it's always, oh, there's always a him involved, or a her, but there's always this other person. Like, what about yourself? Fall in love with yourself. And of course, now I'm going off on a tangent, but I wanted to go back to the author's retreat. So I think we should do a beginner's one, and that beginner one will help people write a chapter, and we'll put a collaborate book together. We'll put an anthology together, and we'll do that. And then in the advanced version, in the same short amount of time, so it'll be 3 or 4 days. So maybe for the next one should be 4, maybe 5 days, and we'll help you put together a shorter book. So there's the shorter books that are maybe 60, 65 pages, because I have one of those. Those are great. and or then the hugely advanced one will be a bigger book, and then we'll have to do that one for like an entire week, because that's a lot of writing. But anyways, so just wanted to mention that and bring Amanda on here.